Okay viewers, I'm just testing the microphone and GoPro setup in my helmet. I was going to do it on the weekend, but I thought, yeah, got an hour before the sun goes down after work, so thought I would go for a quick spin. Got all the panniers and everything on the bike. It's actually full of gear, so it's good just to see how that actually handles. But I'll go down this road here, and then to the left, and I'll go onto the freeway where I can do 100 k's an hour and see what the wind's like. So let's probably fast forward it from here and until I pull onto the freeway. Going onto the freeway, and I'll speed up to an 80 kilometers an hour, 100. There we are, doing 100 kilometers an hour. Less now. Just try and get around this guy. Close to 100 kilometers an hour. So usually with this microphone, that's quite okay in the wind. The fur, like on a studio microphone, makes all the difference. I'm hoping that's the same with this setup. So there's good quality microphone. And it sits in the helmet quite well. So there is one issue with these GoPros that I've come across, is that when Wi-Fi is enabled, I don't have Wi-Fi enabled at the moment, but when Wi-Fi is enabled, it ends up with some interference due to a hardware issue with lack of shielding on the microphone and the Wi-Fi antenna. That is something that doesn't seem like GoPro cares about. There is a fix, you just got to pull it apart yourself and fix it. I may do that if I have to, but next part of this test will actually be turning on Wi-Fi and seeing how much of that helicopter sort of style noise is audible in you know, real life situations. It's probably going to be okay with all the noise that a KLR makes and all the vibration. You probably actually won't hear it. So if that's the case, that'll be good, because I would actually like to use this remote to be able to turn it on and off. But at the moment, I just have to look in the mirror to make sure it's still going. So okay, I'll find a spot to pull over and I'll enable Wi-Fi and we'll try that. So there you go, I have Wi-Fi enabled, and as you can see, it's coming up on the remote, even though the screen does get a bit jumbled up, but I think that's just because software versions, but it works fine. I think there is a new remote rather than this 2-button one. I think there's a 3-button. So this is the test to see if in real life we can hear that helicopter sound, which I'll try and actually record that helicopter sound when it's dead quiet, so you can understand what it is. don't know if you can hear that sound. We'll check it out when we get back, but it'll be good if we can't, because they save me pulling the GoPro apart straight away. It's brand new. And maybe pulling it apart altogether, given that riding a bike is a pretty noisy thing to do anyway. So okay, I'll leave you guys here, and I'll head back, park up and have a look.